Title matters. Your title tag, so they call them a title tag, on your website. When you have the little tab at the top, right? So whether you're in Chrome or Safari or whatever you have, if you hover your mouse over that, it will tell you what your title tag is. You're like, I didn't know that, because human beings, it's really not for human beings too much. Most human beings don't hover over that. They don't care. It's for Googlebots. So that title tag is on the back end of your website. Like I said, you can say, hey, Mr. Website Developer, or whoever, even if it is a template, or even if you're a franchise, which we work with a lot of franchise, you can still tell them to change your title tag, and we do it all the time. We work with the Neighborly brands, if you guys know what that is. We work with quite a few different of the franchisees, and we have to send it into corporate, but they're happy to change it because they know that when we modify that, they can help in the ranking. Title. I'm going to ask you what it should be. The title should be descriptive, optimized, that attracts clicks. Now the title will also be in the search. We'll talk about here in the second for the description, but this one should be written